Hey guys, welcome back. Earlier this year I bought a 12 gauge Bullpup shotgun called the Tokarev TBP 12 and I made a video on it and embedded it in my seats installation video for Matilda. But I don't think it got seen enough, so I de-embedded it and put it in this video so you can watch it in its entirety. Now the gun I'm talking about is this one. It's a Tokarev TBP 12. It is a really handy, beautiful shotgun. I really like it. Nearly 1 year later and it still holds up. So this comes with two magazines. First, it has a 5-round magazine, and if you want to have a little more fun, it has a 10-round too. And I think this one looks a lot cooler, right? The cool thing about this is that it is only $300 with all the accessories. $250 is what I got it for, and I'm sure you can get some really good deals out there. Anyways, have a look at the video and like, subscribe, interact. Let me know if you have any recommendations or any comments on this gun, if you have it. If not, go buy one. It's pretty cool. I like it. All right, it is a beautiful day, beautiful winter morning, crisp and cool. And there's Matilda. Today we are going to do something fun. I'm going to put my seats in, or figure out how I'm going to put them in. And oh, there's all my toolboxes. Way too many tools. It never stops. What is this? Oh, what is this? You want to have a look? All right, let's have a look. Let's see what it is. This, my friends, is something I've been waiting for a while. Just ordered it on Black Friday. It arrived yesterday. This is a Tokarev TBP 12. It is a Bullpup shotgun, semi-automatic, which is pretty damn awesome. And it is made in Turkey. Pretty heavy. Comes with a whole bunch of stuff. It comes with this magazine, small little one, and it comes with a large magazine too, high capacity. This is colloquially called a banana clip, but it's black, so that's a black banana. Let's not even go there. What else? It comes with what's that? A choke tool. Right, safety plug. It's a high impact piston, strap, a bunch of sights, forward and backward sights, a safety that I removed earlier, and two chokes and a choke tool. So whoa, this thing is heavy. I actually should be using two hands. This is beautiful, really beautiful. I'm going to enjoy shooting this sometime later today. Really nice indeed. All right, so let's see how this thing loads up. It's quite a heavy little bullpup. Man, this thing feels so good. Huh. This is a plastic piece. Comes out. There's a little Picatinny rail below there and above. Can put a whole bunch of goodies in there. Man, all right. So a friend of mine in the UK recently asked me, how come you guys have such cheap guns? I mean, $250 for a bullpup like that, it's insane, right? So I said, hey man, if you live in a socialist, Marxist, progressive hellhole like the UK, or a country like Canada, which is a fascist state right now, a police state, or Australia, which is even worse. I mean, let's face it, those guys are fucked. They can't own guns. If you have them, they're all like California. It's really hard to get a permit. It's hard to even buy one. Over here, we have something called freedom, the Second Amendment. And hopefully it's going to get a lot better. But thank God we didn't go down the route of the new administration, Kamala, would have turned us all into California or Canada or India, where you aren't allowed to buy guns at all, unless you're a member of parliament or a criminal, right? Or Australia. So that's why. That's why they're cheap. We fight for those freedoms all the time because they are being taken away on a daily basis. They keep coming up with these bills and ideas to make them more expensive, tax them, tax ammunition, background checks for every little thing, anything to throw a monkey wrench into the works. And thank God we're not there yet. We all deserve the right to defend ourselves and our families and our homes from any threat. And I hope it stays that way. So that's the review. I hope you guys liked it. The gun has held up very well over the last year. Very little maintenance. And let's face it, it's a really good gun for the price, $250. $300 if you want accessories. And it's great for home defense because you don't have to cock it every time after every shot. Automatic, right? How useful is that when you have a bunch of people break down your door, or you find someone in your house at 4 a.m. who shouldn't be there? I would definitely recommend it. All right, guys, keep in touch, comment, like, and subscribe.